I'm back. This Scientist Aiden's. I'm different now. Making a colorful portal rain. We need a plastic bottle, green mushroom cups, and oil and a measuring cup.
It's a funnel.
And dropper and steroid. Okay, colors. This red, blue, yellow. Let's get started. Lesson 1. Take 3 measuring cups and pour all 330 ml water. We already had that. Then drop in different colors of food coloring. Okay. We need 5 drops. 2, 3, 4, blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's stir it. Stir. Agitate. Stir. Fill the transparent plastic bottle with 5 full 140 ml of cooking oil.
Slowly.
Okay. We use olive oil, okay? Lesson 3. Use a dropper to suck the colored liquid in the measuring cup and drop it into the transparent bottle. Okay.
We're making a colorful pearl rain. You see that?
What? And then another. Okay.
Those are what? Pearls. Colorful pearls.
Full.
Ooh.
Wow, look at it. Wow. Look at it.
Oh.
Ready?
Ready.
What? Purple.
Those are pearls?
Huh? Yeah, purple pearls. How about yellow and blue? Green. Green pearls are coming!
Whoa!
Green pearls! Yes! Green pearls! Are they doing it? Oh my!
One.
A lot of them are dropping. Wow! Thank you for watching. Bye! Please subscribe and like this video.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. I can play this. 1.